Hi, this is Keith with the Las Vegas Reel. I'm out here at Summerlin Parkway in the 215 construction project.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
So this project's been going on for a while. We're still in, we're just entering phase 2. So phase 2 started in October 2025. Summerlin Parkway was built years ago, and they're finally bringing it over the 215. So work started in February of 2025. Phase 1 was supposed to close out in October of 2025. So we'll take a look, see what all they did, and also maybe cover some of the things happening here in phase 2 that's going November 2025 to May 2027. So to the south, you got Red Rock. So this is 2 miles north of Red Rock Casino. Summerlin Parkway separates Summerlin and Sun City Summerlin. So as I come back over here, you'll see this is the Summerlin Village.
The arbors.
Looking east to the Strip. There's Sun City Summerlin. So Summerlin Parkway was here actually before all the homes. And they had the vision of what this would be and what it will become. But in 2025, 26, and 27 is really where you're going to see that vision come to life. So this is a $130 million interchange upgrade. It's going to include new roadways, bridges, and ramps, including a flyover from the eastbound 215 to eastbound Summerlin Parkway, which I believe might be that ramp right there. They're doing a pedestrian walkway, which I was kind of surprised, which appears to me that they would bring it down Summerlin Parkway heading east and then bring it over, because above us is going to be a big commercial complex. So all the space in the middle right now, as it goes over, it turns into 1-lane roads to the right and then comes back on a 1 lane. Yet all this land in the center is going to be a commercial development. So this pedestrian park or walkway, which will continue through, you can see the other section right there. That's going to go over and connect with the existing and expanding pedestrian walkway along the 215. They're also doing a big change that I'll bring to you in the future, and you can see it best represented right here, where they're going to take the pedestrians underneath all of these off-ramps just to prevent, honestly, to prevent traffic and injury. So you can see right here where that pedestrian parkway is going to connect in. It used to flow right in the center right there. I think it's going to go underneath here, though, if you notice. I think they're going to take it down underneath Summerlin Parkway right here and then connect it to the existing walkway that goes several miles to the south and actually goes to the north too. Again, I'll be updating you often. I mean, this project's not scheduled to be completed until February of 2028. And they've really done a lot of groundwork here, and it's really going to get whipped into shape here in the next few months. So like and subscribe if you are interested in what's going on here. Honestly, if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in Las Vegas, what they're doing in Summerlin West is about to change everything.